Formulated Materials believes that safety should be the #1 priority on any job site. Please take the time to understand and follow any OSHA or state guidelines that relate to the work at hand.
The Elevation Balcony Embed System is designed to deliver a fast and effective waterproofing solution for embedded balcony railing supports. This easy-to-install system eliminates the challenging task of ensuring that these plates are effectively waterproofed in a way that will stand the test of time and allow no penetration of moisture to the balcony. Before installing, Formulated Materials recommends confirming the placement of all railing embeds with the general contractor or railing subcontractor. Confirm the railing embed support mounting bolts do not extend higher than 1/2 of an inch above the surface of the balcony deck. Prior to installation, remove all loose debris from the wood deck and sweep clean. Place the Elevation Embed Pan on the deck with the RSE in the central void in the embed pan. The leading edge of the RSE must be no closer than 3 inches from the edge of the balcony. The pan should be placed with the small weep void towards the highest point of the slope. If necessary, the embed pan can be trimmed on the side closest to the edge of the deck. The embed pan cannot be trimmed closer than 1 inch from the embed trough. This is to ensure proper shingling of the waterproofing system. Fasten the pan to the deck at each pre-drilled hole using galvanized roofing nails. With the pan installed, completely fill the void to the highest flange of the embed with Elevation Embed Pan Sealant, fully encapsulating the railing embed support and fasteners. This final step should be completed after the installation of the waterproofing system is finished. After proper installation, the RSE is now fully encapsulated and impervious to moisture.